Buying crypto in Europe isn't as simple as it used to be. Since the new MiCA regulations came into effect, some exchanges have changed their services, payment methods, and availability across the EU. The good news? There are platforms built for this new environment. Today, we're taking a look at Paybis to see how it makes buying crypto faster with 20+ payment methods, 100+ supported cryptocurrencies, and a simple experience that can get many users started in as little as 2 minutes. Welcome back to Crypto Meridian. If you're new here, we cover crypto news, platform reviews, and practical guides to help you make smarter crypto decisions. Let's see what Paybis has to offer and why it's becoming a popular choice for many crypto users across Europe. Even in 2026, buying crypto can still be frustrating. Some users deal with declined payments, limited local payment options, or slow bank transfers. With MiCA now in effect, choosing a platform that's simple, compliant, and reliable has become more important than ever. This is where Paybis takes a different approach. Instead of presenting new users with complicated trading interfaces, the platform focuses on making crypto purchases as straightforward as possible. From the main dashboard, you can quickly choose whether you want to buy crypto, sell your assets, swap one cryptocurrency for another, or manage your wallet, all from a clean and well-organized interface. Getting started only takes a few steps. Enter the amount you'd like to spend, choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive, then select the payment method that works best for you. One of the platform's biggest strengths is the variety of ways you can pay. Rather than relying on a single payment option, Paybis supports more than 20 local and global payment methods. Depending on your location, you can use credit or debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal, Revolut Pay, ACH bank transfer, and many other regional payment options designed for different markets. For many users, identity verification can be completed in less than 2 minutes, helping reduce the time it takes to complete a purchase. Once your crypto is purchased, you also have flexibility. You can store it in the built-in Paybis wallet or send it directly to your own external wallet if you prefer managing your own assets. Another feature worth mentioning is customer support. If you need help during the process, Paybis provides 24/7 customer support, giving users access to assistance whenever it's needed. The platform has also earned positive feedback from its community. On Trustpilot, Paybis has more than 32,000 user reviews, with many customers highlighting the simple onboarding process, smooth transactions, and overall ease of use. While everyone's experience may be different, it's another indicator that the platform has built a solid reputation among crypto users. Beyond buying and selling, Paybis includes a dedicated market section where you can track live crypto prices, follow market trends, and stay updated with the latest crypto news, all from one convenient place. If you prefer using your phone, Paybis also offers a mobile app, so you can buy, sell, or manage your crypto wherever you are. Simply scan the QR code to download the app. And if you're creating a new account, don't forget to use my referral link in the description together with my promo code. New users can receive 0% Paybis fees on their first trade, plus 50% off Paybis fees on the next 5 trades. Paybis has grown into a platform used by millions of crypto users around the world. It supports more than 100 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Cardano, Dogecoin, and many other popular digital assets. Alongside crypto, the platform also supports 65+ fiat currencies and is available in over 180 countries, making it accessible to users across different regions. Another advantage is flexibility. With more than 20 local and global payment methods, users can choose the option that works best for them instead of relying on a single payment system. Paybis also focuses on creating a smooth experience with fast verification, 24/7 customer support, instant payouts, and regulatory oversight in the EU, the US, and Canada, giving users additional confidence when buying or selling crypto. If you're ready to get started, make sure to use my referral link before creating your account. That way you'll unlock 0% Paybis fees on your first trade, and with my promo code from the description or pinned comment, you'll also receive 50% off Paybis fees on your next 5 trades. Once you sign in, you'll arrive on the buy page where everything is organized in a clean and easy-to-use layout. To purchase crypto, simply enter the amount you want to spend, choose from more than 20 local and global payment methods, and select the cryptocurrency you'd like to buy. Paybis supports over 100 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and many other leading digital assets. Before you complete your order, the platform clearly displays the amount of crypto you'll receive, helping you understand the transaction before confirming it. It also shows the applicable fees up front, making the buying process transparent from start to finish. Selling your crypto is just as simple. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell, enter the amount, and Paybis immediately calculates your estimated payout before you confirm the transaction. It's a straightforward process that helps you know exactly what to expect. If you already hold digital assets, you can also swap one cryptocurrency for another directly within the platform without needing to move your funds to a separate exchange. The history section keeps all of your previous transactions in one place, making it easy to review your purchases, sales, and swaps whenever you need them. Paybis also includes a dedicated live prices page where you can monitor real-time prices, market capitalization, 24-hour trading volume, and price movements for many of the market's leading cryptocurrencies. Another useful feature is the built-in crypto calculator. It lets you instantly convert crypto into fiat or fiat into crypto using live market prices, making it easier to estimate your transaction before you buy or sell. To help you plan transactions efficiently, Paybis features a detailed breakdown of all supported payment rails. You can review regional availability, accepted fiat currencies, minimum/maximum limits, estimated processing speeds, and auto-rejection windows up front. This lets you choose the best route for your specific bank or region before committing funds. It's also worth noting that Paybis actively encourages responsible trading. The site integrates educational materials covering market risk, reminding investors to conduct thorough research, assess risk tolerance, and trade within their personal limits. If you're seeking a streamlined MiCA-compliant gateway to buy digital assets in Europe, give Paybis a look using the link in the description. Don't forget to stack those fee discounts: 0% Paybis fees on trade 1 and 50% off Paybis fees on your next 5 trades with the promo code. If you found this breakdown helpful, drop a like, subscribe to Crypto Meridian, and click that notification bell so you never miss our latest guides, news, and platform deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.